Today in math, we are continuing with adding, but we're going to practice adding three numbers because you don't always have just two numbers to add. Sometimes there's three, sometimes there's more than three. But today we're going to focus on three numbers, and you'll see how we'll be able to use some of the tricks that we've learned and strategies to help you add three numbers quickly. Okay, so I have three number sentences here, and each number sentence has three numbers that we're adding together. So what you want to do when you're adding three numbers, because they can seem a little bit overwhelming at first, but basically you're looking for ways to add two numbers together really quickly and then add on the third number, okay? Because if you just kind of did this with the counting up strategy, it can get a little bit confusing. If you put 5 in your fist, added on 7, and then counted up 5 more, you can do it, but you're more likely to make mistakes than finding little tricks. So when I look at 5 plus 7 plus 5, right away, I see a doubles fact. I see 5 and 5. I know that 5 and 5 make 10. So in my head, I just said, oh, 5 and 5, that's 10. So now it's just 10 plus the 7, which I know I can add really quickly because 10 plus 7 is 17. Magic, okay? So that one was pretty quick. So I saw right away, I didn't do it in order, that's okay. I saw 5 and 5 makes 10, 7 more, 17. Let's look at 2 plus 9 plus 6. Now, I don't see any two numbers that make 10 together, but I do see a 9. And I know that 9 is really close to 10. So let's do the 9 and the 6. So if I turn 9 plus 6 into a tens fact, in my head I'm adding 10, not plus 6, 10 plus 5, right? Which I know is 15. So now I just have to add on 2 extras. So what's 15 plus 2 more? Well, 15, 16, 17. That one added up to 17 too. And then down here, there's a couple of ways to do this one. So I do see 8 and 2 make 10. So I could go 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 and 7 more is 17. Oh wow, all three of these are 17. I didn't try that, I promise. But the other way to do it, maybe you didn't notice that 8 and 2 make 10 right away. Some of you might look at this and go, oh, 7 and 8 are next to each other on the number line. I can do a doubles plus 1. So maybe you're going to double 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 more makes the 15. And then you add on your 2. So 15, 16, 17. So the trick really is, 17, 17, 17. I did not try that. So when you're adding three numbers, before you start just counting up or adding on a number line, look at if there's any combination. Is there any two numbers that make 10? Can you do a doubles fact? Can you do a doubles plus 1? Okay, is there a 9? Can you turn something into a tens fact? So that's why we were doing practicing those kind of strategies, so you can add numbers and sometimes more than two numbers together a little quicker, okay? So good luck with this. Remember, keep your eyes out for those shortcuts.